Welcome to Ocean Waves Condos in Panama. The Ocean Waves Condos project offers luxurious coastal living in beautiful, peaceful Pedasi in Panama. Whether you're envisioning a peaceful retirement or perhaps a strategic investment, these discounts open the doors to the Ocean Waves Condos lifestyle. Secure your exclusive haven at a fraction of the cost during this brief pre-sale period. Seize unbeatable discounts on select condo units. Visualize unwinding by the pool. Enjoy a leisurely game of pickleball on the on-site court, or wander down to the nearby quiet beaches to enjoy the sunset. Embrace the peace of the nearby beach before anyone else. And if you're interested solely in making a solid investment with returns in as little as 18 months, ask about our buyback options and profit-sharing rental agreements. Secure your piece of paradise during our pre-sales period and enjoy pricing that's just too good to miss. Take advantage of this opportunity to invest at lower rates and secure your spot in this luxurious community. Visit oceanwavescondos.com now for more details. That's oceanwavescondos.com for your gateway to paradise.